So I was one of those kids who really liked the beginning of school and going and getting all your school supplies and binders and pencils and your new box of crayons. And I still feel that way at the beginning of the school year. So I still, get my little grading color pencils and get it, that same energy for starting the school year. I also had teachers that were very influential in just getting me excited about biology and just showing me I remember sitting in high school biology and just thinking, oh my gosh, I can't believe life works this way, and it happens, and it doesn't break down most of the time, and it's so complicated, and just being fascinated by that. So that was both of those factors I think went into me choosing to be a teacher. I hope that they learn science practice skills, being able to analyze data and read tables and graphs and understand the scientific method and the importance of, the rigor behind how we know what we know, and the importance of being able to back up your claims with evidence. I try to find what it is where their disconnect is, what supports they need. And that is different for every student. So sometimes it's like, how are you studying? Do you need to approach studying different? What part of this do you not understand? What preconceptions are you bringing in that are not accurate? What background information or background supports do you need help with to support? And if we can figure that out, then kind of how to help them.